Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we finally took the highs. Friday, 24th of November. Weekly high is taken. If you look at daily as well, this high could be good high now. Where I would say it's confirmed that we have the high at the top, where this candle turns red, the weekly candle turns red, and it doesn't come back up. For now, this is just a small liquidity grab. There is much more stop losses above, and we can get the climax move, the last squeeze, and depending on how big it's gonna be, we will know if it's gonna come back like same day or soon, or if it's not gonna come back. So if we go up a little bit more, like 39k, just some squeeze to 39. If we basically don't touch 40k, reject from lower, from like 35 and a half, then it can reverse same day. If we break out, we can teleport straight to 42k, maybe 43. Above 40k, then I'm not expecting a fast recovery of this. I would expect consolidation and probably another move up. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at now. High taken, daily looks good, possible reversal, but not yet. And this was possible short as well on the high, but I will explain why I don't take this short. Firstly, let's see where we come from, what happened yesterday, what was my projection. So I made a video around here. So the way I see it, we have some consolidation, then we get some fugazi drop, move up, move down, basically take these highs, take these lows. From here the real move starts, and the real move started to the downside, and I was caught a little bit off guard. I was expecting a bounce. So basically, if we go to these imbalances, the single prints or fair value gap or whatever you call this, I would expect a bounce immediately, quick bounce here. This should be support. The moment we took this, we actually made a wick from 15-minute chart. We go on lower time frames. This was not easy to long. Look at this wick. This is obviously bullish. Everyone was thinking that this is gonna bounce, probably, like from the looks of it. It should be bouncing. And then we took the low again. This is where I get tricked, because I thought if we don't bounce from taking this, we're gonna fill everything at least to this high. The high was front run. So basically we didn't get the back test. And if you remember what I said the last few days, if we get a back test, then it's not gonna be that simple move up. If we don't get a back test, you don't give people opportunity to long. Even I missed out on this. This is some strange thing. I should have longed actually when we reclaimed the levels, when we came back into these lows. I should have opened long, probably, but it is what it is. I don't regret anything. I trade my plan, and my plan was long here or long a quick wick. Like I would long this. Yeah, but it is what it is. It didn't come back up. I thought, okay, probably we're going down. Look at this wick. And I was wrong. It's okay. So we quickly come back to weekly open. So I was thinking, during trending days, VWAP is king indicator. Same story as I always tell. Look at this VWAP. You see wicks all the way here, and basically this is proof of resistance. I see on order flow as well, we are trying to break, people longing this, and it didn't break. So what did I do? I actually shorted this, because we are downtrending and there is no reason why this shouldn't go down. I shorted this, put my stop loss above weekly open, above daily open, which is a new fresh daily level since today, and above this I put my stop loss there. And I was thinking, I will see if I want to keep this short or if it's gonna move higher. So eventually we get a small move down, just backtest 5-minute order block and smash into weekly open, backtest weave up, smash into weekly open again, lose weave up. This is where I'm thinking, okay, we go down, that's it, we backtest weekly open, we go down, we lost weave up, and it failed to break down. I don't know why, no volume, maybe good support, it failed to break down. This is the point where I changed my bias. We backtested level, we broke weave up, and then we came back down. This is where I changed my bias. If it doesn't go down here, that's it, I'm out. And I was out. The moment I saw it coming back above weave up, this candle, I'm out. That's it, my short closed. So I thought, okay, I started imagining what's gonna happen if we break weekly open. We have this high, we have this high, and then we smash weekly open again. What's gonna happen? We come back to the weave up, this time with bullish CVD, bullish absorption, and I open long here. Just before I go to sleep, I thought, in case we go up, we should be keeping higher lows. No opportunities to long for people. So I put my stop loss, I enter here, I put my stop loss below some lows, below two swing lows. So below this one and below this one. My stop loss was around here. And this, as I explained, is important. We failed to break down, and this is technically where we should be going lower. So I was confident that this is a good stop loss for me. And if it's not, then it's not. Okay, we range, we chop maybe, but in case we go up, we don't give opportunity to long for people. We don't give any retraces. This should hold, and it did hold. So basically, I'm still in long. It's not a massive long because I couldn't watch. I was going to sleep. I would open more and more and more on the way up, but I didn't. I was sleeping. And in this morning, we basically, let's remove the weave up. Let's remove the dailies. This is not important. This is fresh daily. I will keep this in case we come back. Weekly open I will keep. This I will keep. Previous week open not needed anymore. This projection missed. It will stay for later. Okay, so what happened later? We took the high, and now I'm thinking, look at this candle. We took the high and left this wick. Everyone and their mother will be shorting this. This is obvious. Nobody gonna long this. This is bearish reaction. We took the highest, smart money concepts, some liquidity grab, and we go down. This is simple theory, a bit more complex because people usually don't look for liquidity grabs. This is a liquidity grab, and most people will be thinking range highs, okay, I short. And then we took the last high, which I have an X on, and we rejected. And this is where I should be thinking about shorts, but I'm not thinking about shorts. I will show you something, how last breakout happened. Let's see what happened there and then compare it. A high taken, and look at this candle. Everyone and their mother and their brother and their sister will be shorting this. This is very nice. See this box? You take liquidity, you go down. When this candle happened and the high was taken again, we know that something is going on. Like, what the hell, something is happening. We should be going down, and then we are not. What's happening? Maybe we go for the last high, maybe it's not enough for them, and the range high was here, taken with this kind of reaction. Again, their mother and their father and their brother will be shorting this. everyone will be shorting. There is no way someone sees this reaction and they say, okay, maybe it's good opportunity to long. No, nobody longing this. You can see clearly from the chart how it looks like. It looks bearish, so you short. And then everyone who try to short this, they get squeezed. You get longs opening here because and I will explain another thing why people shorting here. You go back and then you see okay, so you reach range highs, you're longing for the breakout and it fails, it goes down all the way down. You could be longing here, people are trying to long this for a breakout, this for a breakout, and it's failing every time. So when you have this long consolidation, the longer it takes, the more people give up on the breakout. They think next time I'm trading the range. Look at these moves up and down. For sure I'm trading the range. I don't expect breakout anymore. And when you don't expect the breakout, then it happens. So according to my theories, fast move up or fast move down will always get recovered. This gets recovered same day. You get longs in the market, climax move, all recovered. 15-minute order block recovered as well. And then you go down lower, you recover this, leave a nice wick. And basically we are at the same point now. We take the high, good reaction. But what's happening with this? This is strange. Why we have bearish reaction, then we take the high again. It's very similar situation. We're looking for a move up. So I'm not gonna look for longs. This is scalp long. This is maybe interesting long. Expecting breakout higher now. Yeah, expecting higher. Let's check Atas. What's happening there? We got some climax move there, which could be the high. VWAP holding, CVD bullish, people shorting, open interest increasing, new shorts opening, exactly as I would expect, open interest increasing. These are the imbalances we didn't fill, which left even me without a long position, and that's why we're moving up, because we didn't give people opportunity to long. These shorts here, I was expecting them taken out, but I wasn't prepared. I didn't take a long. You see the wick that's happening when we take out. Okay. So expect higher for now. You could be shorting, could be high, but it's not for me. If we lose weekly open, it can crash fast, at least to these levels. That's the level where the sentiment changes and the high is locked in, basically. Weekly open. For now, wait for higher. If we reject before 40k, this can retrace very fast. If we break 40k, we probably gonna not retrace anymore. We're gonna make some new consolidation. Below 40k, expect to come back to this weekly open again. Above 40k, it's not coming back anymore. That's the way I look at it. Okay, so it's Friday, last day, some profit taking day. Maybe we move higher, maybe we don't. My trades are aggressive long, maybe somewhere. No, I'm not longing. It's not worth it. I'm not shorting, so probably gonna be day off for me. I still have a long from here. Small long, I will keep this open with stop loss on the entry. And then see how far it goes. Yeah, so have fun this Friday, have some profitable trades, and good luck. See you next week.